Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Our Sales Master Training section will help you to achieve greater result in your career. Let us learn some important sales tips. This might be one of the most obvious sales tips on this list, but if you want to close more deals, you need better leads. Why? Because no matter how cool your product is, there will be some people who don't like it or want it. And no matter how terrible your product is, there will be someone who actually does want it. If you have a system that filters out the uninterested parties and gives you only the interested parties, your rate of success will be much, much higher. No matter which other techniques you feel like using. In some companies, lead generation and prospecting are more about marketing than sales. But whatever. It's important if you want to close more deals, so take it seriously. Companies using lead scoring systems see 20% more conversions. 75 B2B lead generation ideas and tips. 33 B2B lead generation tools to get more leads. 10 tools to build a targeted list of prospects for email outreach. Hope you will practice this. Let us talk about new sales tips in next video. Kindly like and subscribe our channel.